Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about string class in Java, part of programming in Java course. In Java, the string class is used to represent a sequence of characters. String objects are immutable, meaning that once a string object is created, its value cannot be changed. Here is an example of how to create and manipulate a string object. In this example, the first line creates a string object with value hello using the string literal notation. The second line creates a new string object with the value world using the string constructor. The length method is used to get the length of the myString object. The char at index method is used to get the character at a specific index, and plus operator is used to concatenate the two string objects. Java also provides a variety of methods for manipulating and comparing strings, such as substring with begin index and end index, which returns a substring of the original string. Replace old char with new char replaces all occurrences of the old char with new char in the string. To lowercase returns a new string in lowercase. Equals object which compares the value of the string to the value of the given object and returns true if they are equal. Compare to string compares the value of the string to the value of the given string and returns an int indicating their lexicographic order. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.